I am Izaz, and I would like to talk about my final project, which is a branding book on the company that I've worked for, which is called The Plenty of Fish. So this is the second page of the book as we flip through. This indicates as we start our journey through the book. So let me take you through the journey. Here's the mood board that I defined, which has the colors that inspired me. The index talks about all the contents that's been listed on this book. For About Us, I use a very short introduction about what the company is about, their stories, and as you can see, I've used different elements all throughout my slides to actually kind of make it playful and also to identify it with the brand, which would evoke some sort of persona. And that's about like the history of the company, how they all got started. And for my initial sketches, I can show you like the sketches I made on my iPad. These were some of the sketches I made, and after that I did some forced connections which would help me come up to a solid plan. And this is from where I moved on to then designing using different colors, and then I figured out according to color theory that these colors actually evoke certain emotions such as that love, energy, and excitement, and this is what the company would be looking for because it's a dating app. And I define why I rebranded it and the little details about it. The colors I used are just noted down here in hex code. For typography, I use a design system rule where I write down the title, header, and body, and the type of typography that I've been using, and also the fonts that I used, which was Proxima Nova and Lena. These were my favorite ones, and it not just because of that, but it went really well along with the with the company brand. And for the brand application, you can see there are some um, they have their t-shirts and their cups which have their brandings on top of it. And for the business cards, as you can see, I've like made it uh, on a bigger font size to make it pop out. And this is like the uh, letterhead, and this is just a short, like a really quick mock-up where you can see how it's going to be in real world. It's the same with the brochure as well. It's been, I have like developed a mock-up for this as well. And for the website, you can see there's another 3D real world mock-up where how the landing page is supposed to look like on an iMac or a MacBook and on the phones. And for the social media, some of the images I've downloaded from unsplash.com. These are some of the really high quality photos. And this is a quick preview of how it's going to look on as a story on Instagram. And for the image marketing, again, these are some of the photos that I've downloaded from Unsplash, which I have put on my reference list. Uh, and I think that's all about my presentation. I really hope I was able to finish within 3 minutes. The time was kind of challenging, but nevertheless, thank you so much for offering this course, and I really appreciate it. I've really got to learn so much. Thank you once again.